Hi everybody, this is Aditya again. So we have Deepa joining us today from First Spoon Official. So today the pop up is it's the third day of the pop up. Sorry, I'm a little nervous because we had a little confusion through the Instagram live. But I think it's all okay now, and we're ready to roll for our virtual pop up for today. And our pop-up's name is Your Little Store. And so now moving on to Deepa, please tell us a lot more about your brand. I don't want to waste more time.
Yeah, sure. And yeah, I had some technical issues and very excited to be a part of this virtual pop-up store. And I'm basically from Tirupur and I own two brands called Sammore and First Spoon. Sammore is basically like we manufacture millet-based products for all ages, and First Spoon is an exclusive weaning food brand. This is my brand and First Spoon brand. And we have products like millet noodles. This is my parent brand called Sammo. So we have millet noodles. We have 10
Nice.
variants in millet noodles and 10 variants in millet savory. And we have a product called Complete Health Mix as well.
Okay. So tell me
Yeah,
something.
this is
This
the product.
brand that you're talking about, what age group does it like? What age group of kids? I
Yeah,
mean, for which age?
some more brand products can be given for all ages. It is ideal for all ages. And First Spoon is an exclusive weaning food brand. We have four variants in First Spoon, and this can be given from 6 months up to 2 years. And recently we came up with new products as well. So this is our this product we launched in the month of Jan, and this has ingredients like sprouted ragi, banana
Right.
flour, and banana
Right.
flour is a source of prebiotics, so it improves, it helps in the digestion for infants. And this
Okay.
product we launched last week. This is
Right.
a sprouted ragi with a dehydrated carrot and apple powder. Again, this carrot
Nice.
and apple is a source of like antioxidants and soluble fiber. So this is, and we have listed our products on our e-commerce site and we ship products pan India.
Right.
So that's the
That's
exciting about our products. Yes.
So very interesting. So basically, First Spoon is a very natural based product. So tell us, Deepa, how did you come out with this whole idea of coming out with food products for kids, for babies, and what just
Yeah.
suddenly?
Sure. So I registered this company in the year 2013, but I'm working full time from 2017. So when
Yeah,
I'm a postgraduate in food and nutrition, and I have Deepa Julian with me, who's co-founder in First One. She is again postgraduate in food service management and dietetics. So when I was searching for nutritious foods for my son, when I started introducing weaning food, to my shock, I saw lots of products in the market that were loaded with preservatives. So I wanted to give a nutritious product that are free of preservatives to my son. So with that idea, I used to make my own formulations back home for my son. That is how I came up with my first product, Complete Health Mix. And I had many of my friends and relatives and neighbors. They were asking me to give this product for their babies. They were ready to pay me for that. And month on month, they were starting. They started placing orders with our products.
nice.
And then I realized there is a huge potential for these products. And then I went ahead and registered my company. And now my son has grown up, and I'm working full time. And now we have extended our product lineup. Then later on, like we started supplying to a few pediatric hospitals as well. The pediatricians in my hometown, they are very supportive, and I was able to pitch them since I had foundation in food and nutrition. Like lots of research is being gone into
Ah,
developing each products.
because you have to ensure the safety of the products also, no, for the
Exactly.
kids.
Yeah.
So how did
Exactly.
you manage that? How did you manage the safety of the products
Yeah.
for the?
So all of, yeah. So our products are manufactured in a HACCP certified unit that also has ISO certification, and lots of care has been gone into selection of ingredients. We source ingredients from organic farmers, and we manufacture it in a HACCP certified unit that also has a GMP certificates as well. That is why pediatricians are supporting us a lot, and we have got great feedback from mothers. And month on month, we are supplying consistently to around 40 plus pediatric hospitals in Tamil Nadu. And we started selling our products through our e-commerce site, and we ship products pan India. And we are on Big Basket as well. And we have listed our products on Amazon, Flipkart, Baby Chakra. And yes, we are working to launch new products. We have interesting product lineup in First Spoon. Like we want to come up with products for pregnant and lactating mothers as well. So yeah, this is how we manufacture, and we have got that trust as well. And Deepa Julian is with me, taking care of online communications.
Reason you chose this name, like First Spoon, or I mean, how did you come up with the name?
Okay, so when it comes to like introducing weaning foods, the first choice for mothers to choose nutritious food should be our brand. So with that idea, like I was looking out for names, and I thought this First Spoon would perfectly fit in. And yes, that's how I selected this name.
So how is it to capture India, like as a market? How would you, you know, like how are you capturing it from Tirupur? You said you're based out of Tirupur, right? So how are you, you know, capturing our market?
Initially, it was quite challenging, but now I have a great team. I have a like online. I have a team for marketing and sales, and I have a strong tech team. And now we have started supplying our products to DMart stores. As I said, we have millet noodles also. Like talking about these noodles, like this is a healthier version compared to any commercially available maida-based noodles. So we have started supplying to Big Basket. We got pan-India distribution approval from Big Basket. So we ship products pan-India, and so that is how we start. And we also started exporting our products as well. So I don't think that it is really difficult to scale from being a small town as Tirupur. Yes,
and
we are reaching a global market.
Products are nutritionally assessed. Like how would you assess all these products? Like from a viewer's point of view, or from a mother's point of view, when I buy your products, like what is it that I need to see? I mean, and also that what is so great, like to choose a particular product.
So whenever you buy any baby food products, it is essential to check all the ingredients, and we don't add any preservatives, including salt or sugar. And it is essential to check the nutritive label also. And we get all our products tested in NABL accredited labs. That ensures great trust as well. And we show this certification to the pediatricians, and every batch has like every batch samples we give to the lab analysis to check whether there is any microbial contamination. So that way we ensure a great quality and trust also from our customers.
That's good. That's good. Interesting. So any challenges that you faced while setting up this particular industry and things like that?
Yes. So initially, it was quite challenging because I did not have a great team. But since 1 year, I'm having a great team. As I mentioned, I have Deepa Julian with me. I'm sure she should be watching this live. And she's my co-founder in First Spoon. So she helps me with the product development, and I have marketing and sales team separately. That's why I'm able to take my brand global. So during the...
You have a very good team to do something like that. Exactly. Because when you have a good team is when you can pursue this further.
So we have started exporting our products to Middle East and Canada, and we are talking to a few clients from US and Singapore and Malaysia. I hope we'll be sending the products in a month's time. We have already sent us samples, and we are happy with the products. This millet noodle sample is also doing very well in the market. So
right. Definitely check it out. So you said that this is for what age group?
3 plus you can give this millet noodles, yes. And one more thing that I would want to share is we add a seasoning mix along with this product, and this is made with 100% natural ingredients. We don't add MSG in our seasoning mix. And this noodles also tastes very good. It is healthier as well as it's tastier. So we have
basically a lot of products in the market, and we have to think 10 times while feeding our child, because my own child is 3 plus years right now. So I will definitely, now that I've spoken to you and I know about this, I will definitely try this on viewers. Do you have any questions for Deepa, or do you want her to show and talk anything in particular about her product? Anything else that you all need to ask her about First Spoon, or Deepa, do you feel anything that you want to concentrate on about your parent brand that is more?
As I mentioned, from my parent brand, we are planning to launch new products. Like we have plans to launch millet cookies and extruded millet snacks. And this will be launched without any preservatives. And yeah, the shelf life will be up 3 months only. But then we'll be making frequent fresh batches, and we work on demand. So these are the products lineup in Samo branch, and again in First Spoon branch we are going to come up with a couple of new products in a month's time.
So someone is asking, what all millets do you have?
Yeah. So we have around 6 millets, like ragi, foxtail, and like you can just get the millet names in from Google. We have 6 variants in millet noodles, and we have moringa noodles also, and red rice noodles. All these are processed using whole wheat flour and millet flours, and we do not add maida during processing. So this is about millet noodles, and as I mentioned,
not to add maida, right? Like they're very particular that we should any baby associated food, maida needs to be avoided. I mean, most likely.
True. Yes. So that is why we avoid maida, because it doesn't have any nutritional value, and we add whole wheat flour because it is a source of fiber, soluble fiber, proteins, and vitamins. So that's one main reason that many mothers they trust our product and they keep buying our products. Like we have our own e-commerce site, which is summerfoods.com and firstspoon.in, and we ship products pan India now, and we are also exploring global markets. You can buy from Big Basket also.
So all the viewers, like she said, like Deepa said, they're available on Big Basket, they're available on Amazon, they are available on First Cry. Am I right? Are you
Baby Chakra?
Baby Chakra.
Baby Chakra. And we have our
I think Big Basket is a big thing because all of us right now during this lockdown are going a little crazy. So please DM her and ask her further details or any queries that you have about the product or what you want to order for your child being a baby or a 3+-old toddler. Please order with her and let her know. Deepa, please give your Insta handle or your website again so that for them.
First Spoon Official is my Insta handle, and can note down my email address. It is summofoods@gmail.com, and our websites are summofoods.com and firstspoon.in. I would like to give my number also. It's 996510455. If anybody has any query regarding products, you can connect with me anytime.
Of this, and please feel free to ask her whatever questions you have, and please DM them. And First Spoon is a great product for kids, so I'm definitely going to try it for my child too now, considering that he's 3+. It was great talking to you, Deepa. So Activity Room is off. I'm Aru from Activity Room. Thank you so much, Arul Muri, that we have this opportunity of going live from your page, and how we came up with this whole thing is absolutely amazing. That Delhi Mom Tribe, Chennai Mom Tribe, and Activity Room have come to a collaboration together to bring in so many brands, which we have started on the 6th of July. This is the 4th day. So touchwood, we've been doing.
I have been following your handle. You guys are doing amazing job, and you guys are certainly helping young mothers to which brand to choose and the trustable brands. And congratulations and best wishes for your team and for you also.
Thank you so much, Deepa. Nice talking to you again. So now we will be logging in back again after 10 minutes with Mini Closet Ritu. So I will see you soon, Deepa. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.